I don't waste your time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a talking animated avatar like this using free AI tools. It's not a secret that channels with animated avatars are really taking off on YouTube and other platforms right now. For now, the channel 10x income skyrocketed from 0 to more than 300,000 subscribers in just few months thanks to their avatar. Honestly, I think any faceless channel that isn't jumping on this trend is going to fall behind, including me. No matter what niche you are in, the creators like Digital Income, the AI guy are raking in millions of views with their avatars. So let's dive into the creative process. First up, we need to come up with a character for your video. My character started as a simple sketch that looked like this. But don't worry, you can create these characters easily using AI. Step number 1, we are going to create a character using CapCut. To get started, just hop onto the Google and search for CapCut. Once you're on their site, you will find a section called Magic Tools. Click on that and head over to the image section. You will spot the text to image feature. This works a lot like Midjourney, allowing you to create images of pretty much anything you can think of. I've included an example prompt in the description down below so that you can use it right away. Basically, it tells the AI what the character should wear, what the room looks like, and all the details it needs to nail it. Next, make sure to adjust the aspect ratio based on the platform you are using. 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram Reels, TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to ask for 4 options so you have some choices. And then all you have to do is just hit generate. CapCut just created 4 images in just few seconds. I think these look pretty good already. But if you want to mix it up a bit, we can hit regenerate for 4 new ones. You can also change your prompt if you think it needs something extra, and you can do this as often as you like. For now, I could ask it to switch to a red hoodie. If you really like the style of one particular image, just click regenerate and it will give you more of that. It might take a few attempts to nail it down perfectly. For this example, let's go with this video, and when you hit download, you will see that the image quality is pretty low. That's an issue. To fix this, we can look for an image upscaler, which is another cool feature in CapCut. Just upload your image, select the 4K option, and voila, you got a sharp, clear image. Next up, we are going to enhance the background to make it even better. For this, we will use a tool called Adobe Firefly. Maybe you have already heard about it. They got this fantastic feature that lets you create any background you want to your image. First, sign up for an account, and then you can go to the generative field section. I will include all these links in the description down below. Upload the image we just created using CapCut, and then let your creativity flow. If you want to add or change something like cup of coffee, just click on the spot where you want it and type cup of coffee, and just like that, how cool is that? I can totally add a plant here by just selecting this area and typing in plant. I'm planning to throw in few more elements and really cool it up and make it look awesome. If you want, you could even add a window. So now we got our character and background all set up. Just a heads up, when you download it, there's going to be this annoying watermark, but no stress, I'll show you how to get rid of it for free. To do that, we can use a tool called Clip Drop. Just pick the text remover to remove your watermark. And then we can upscale the image with Clip Drop for better quality. Moving on to the step number 3, now we are diving into animating the character with the mask. In the past, animating mouth movements meant dealing with complicated editing using keyframes in Adobe After Effects. But if that sounds too tricky, there's a super easy and free AI method that works almost just as well. You will see what I mean by the end of this video. You might have noticed my character is wearing a mask, and it's not for any health reason. It's actually way simpler to animate a character with a mask instead of trying to lip sync every single word. To get started with our mask character, head over to Artflow AI in your browser, and you will need to create a new account first. Then you can click on the video studio in the sidebar and start a new video. You can upload your image from the upload section in the side, and once it's uploaded, Artflow AI will recognize the face, and now you can enable speaking animation. Just click on the option right here and type whatever you want the character to say in the box below. After that, you can pick an AI voice or upload your own audio file. If you want to use your own voice like I do, you can totally import it and add your own voiceover. I'll be showing you how to create engaging script and voiceovers in an upcoming video, and I have already created videos about this. For now, this video I'm just going to stick with the AI voice for this example. Just plug in your script and the AI will handle the rest. After that, we will hit export and Artflow AI will whip up the video for us in just few minutes. Just a heads up, again when you export the art, there's going to be this annoying watermark. But no worries, if you want to get rid of that watermark, I've got a tool for that too. It's called media.io. You can easily find the watermark remover by clicking on the video option on their homepage. Once you upload your video, it's super simple. Just highlight the watermark area and use the little green brush to swipe over objects. And voila, you got a clean version of your mask character. So here's how the project came out.
If you want to create a talking avatar like this, then keep watching the video.
Using an AI avatar is like creating a personal brand without showing your face. I won't sugarcoat it. Viewers generally like to watching a real person or a cartoon character in a mask, but hey, this method works. Think about it. Having an avatar can help your audience feel more connected to your faceless channel. Without that connection, your videos might just blend into the vast sea of content of YouTube. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools and tips, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.